This guide will help you assemble the Anvil Forge Burner. Flip the windscreen upside down, place the kettle supports under the windscreen so that the holes align. Use a bolt and lock washer on the now bottom hole on the outside of the windscreen and a lock washer and nut on the inside. Hand tighten all three. Place the burner casting aligned with the cutout on the windscreen. The holes in the casting should align with the now top holes of the windscreen. Insert a bolt and lock washer, then tighten. Once you have all three installed into the burner casting, you can tighten all bolts on the windscreen with a 10mm wrench. If you'd like a bench mount burner, now's the time to install the feet directly to the kettle supports. Use a small bolt and lock washer to attach the threaded plate to the leg. Slide the legs with the plates into the kettle supports. Use the same bolts through the kettle supports and fasten to the threaded plate. Tighten all bolts with a 10mm wrench. Attach the feet to the end of the leg with a bolt and lock washer, then close it with a lock washer and nut. Attach the Venturi shield to the burner casting on the inside or outside of the windscreen. Place the orifice inside the spring and screw into the Venturi. Install the gas supply line onto the orifice fitting and tighten.